Hey everyone, Squiggly McPickens with Ants on a Melon. Are you feeling as though your movements are getting interrupted and that you're getting hung up? Well, moisture on the skin and humidity are something to consider when you're choosing what to wear in varying conditions. So we're going to be looking at ways to keep your fibers flowing. So if you're moving around, chances are you're heating up and you're sweating. Moisture on bare skin can cause a significant amount of friction and drag when your fibers are passing over it. So if you're getting hung up, this might be a big reason why. Covering up and putting a layer of fabric between your bare skin and your bit-width fibers will help with your ease of movement. Humidity plays a big role in that more moisture in the air means more hang-ups. So consider your environment. Where will you be? If you're in a high humidity environment, such as a hot, sticky club, the summer months, or near a water source, you're gonna have a lot more moisture on your skin. If you're in a low humidity environment, somewhere dry and more arid, you're gonna have a lot more ease of movement, particularly with bare skin. Now, the type of fabric you choose to wear also makes a difference in your fibers' movement. Organic fabrics or synthetic fabrics, which do you choose? I like to think of it this way. Organic fabrics are more similar in behavior to your skin, whereas synthetic fabrics are more similar in behavior to your bit-width fibers. Both create a barrier from moisture, however there's more drag while wearing organic fabrics. Synthetics, even while damp, will give you smooth, uninterrupted fiber flow. So in hot conditions, consider wearing synthetic fabrics. Throw on some leggings, sleeves, and you'll be good to go. Adding some lubrication to your fibers will help with smoothness and fiber separation. So apply a thin layer of silicone-based personal lubricant with a microfiber cloth. For a full video on whip care and lubrication, check the link in our description. So we've looked at moisture on the skin, humidity, fit of clothing, type of fabric, and lubrication. With all these points in mind, you'll have no problem choosing what to wear in a variety of situations. I travel frequently and find myself in very different climates. In tropical places with very high heat and high humidity, I wear full body suits of spandex. This is to ensure that I cover up all contact points. In the winter months, it's super cold and extremely dry. Indoors, I might find myself wearing a hoodie, sweats, or even shorts. As you can see, there's a really big range. I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. And you can find us on any of our social media accounts.